have already learned these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. We know that these numbers help us in counting different objects. So over here we have a lot of balls. Let us count these balls using the numbers that we have learnt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What is this? What is the number of this ball? So I was able to count balls till 20 because I know numbers till 20. But what about these balls? How can I count these balls? Are there numbers after 20 as well? Do numbers exist after 20? Well, yes, there are numbers beyond 20 as well. So let us go to our number friends and take their help. You know, they are very intelligent and they are very smart. So they will definitely help us in finding what are the numbers that come after 20. So here we have 2, 0, 20, and as we had seen in our story, 2 is sitting on the left part of the swing and 0 is sitting on the right part of the swing, and this is 20. Now after 0, there are many other numbers waiting in the queue to get on the swing, and 2 had seen that when 1 was sitting on the left part of the swing, 1 sat for a long time. So 2 said, I will not get down the swing, and 0 had to get down to make way for the next number, that is 1. So we have 2 and 1 swinging together, and this is the next number after 20. So after 2, 0, 20, we have the next number, which is 2, 1. And what is the number name of this number? Well, the number name of this number is 21. It is 21. The number name contains two parts. The left part is 20 because we have 2 on the left side, and the right part is 1 because we have number 1 on the right side. So remember, it is not 2, 1, it is 21. When we have 2 on the left side, the left part becomes 20 and the right part is 1 because I have 1 on the right side, and between these two parts I have a small dash. So this is 21. After 1, it is the turn of number 2. So 1 gets down the swing and 2 gets on the swing. So I have 2, 2. So after 21, the number which we have is 2, 2. And what is the number name? Once again, the number name consists of 2 parts. The left part will come from this 2. Because we have 2 on the left part, the number name will start with 20, and for this 2 on the right part, I will have a 2 here, TWO2. So 20 is TWENTY, 20, and a small dash, and from this 2 I have TWO2. So this number is called 22. 22. And what comes after 2? 3. 2 gets down the swing and makes way for number 3 to give us the next number after 22. It is 2, 3. And what is the number name? So once again, it starts with 20 And because there is 3 on the right side, the second part of the number name is 3. So TWENTY, 20, and THREE, 3, 23. So this is the number name of this number, 23. So we have seen that after 20, I have 21, which is named as 21. Then I have 22, which is named as 22. Then I have 23, which is named as 23. So this 2 remains the same, and 0 gives way to the next number, which is 1. After 1, I have 2, and after 2, I have 3. Similar is the case with number names. So 20 is the first part of the number names because there is 2 on the left side, and depending on the number on the right side, we have the second part. So if I have 1 here, it is ONE, 1. If I have 2 here, it is 2. If I have 3 here, then it is 3. And let us see what comes after 23. So 3 gets down like a good boy, and 4 gets on the swing to give us 2, 4. So this is our new number. And what is the number name? So from 2 on the left side, the first part of the number name is 20. It is 20. And the second part is, because I have a 4 here, the second part will be FOUR, 4. So it is 24. The number name is 24. What comes after 24? After swinging for a while, 4 gets down, and the next number, 5, gets up the swing happily to give us 25. What is the number name once again? 25 is the next number after 2, 4. And what is the number name of this number? So from the first part, I get 20, and from the second part, I get FIVE, 5. So it is 25. And then 5 gets down because his turn is over, and 6 gets on the swing to give us the next number, 26. And what is the number name? You must have guessed it by now. We have the first part of the number name as 20 and the second part of the number name as 6 because of this 6, SIX, 6. So the number name is 26, and this is the number 26, 2, 6, 26. After 26, 6 gets down the swing and 7 jumps on the swing happily to give us 27. And what is the number name? Well, from the left part, I have 20, and from the right part, I have 7. So the number name is 27, 2, 7, 27. And then after 7, it's the turn of number 8 to get on the swing. And this gives us a new number, 28. 28 is called 28. So this is 28. Because we have 2 on the left side, I have 20 here. Because we have 8 on the right side, I have 8 here. So this is 28. 2, 8 is 28. And what comes after 8? So 8 gets down and 9 jumps on the swing to give us a new number, 29. And the number name is very simple, 20, because 2 is on the left side, and 9 because 9 is there on the right side. So the number name is 29. So this is the number 29. 2, 9, 29. And what happens after 29? It is Very interesting, because we know that 9 is Mr. Trouble. Do you remember that 9 always causes trouble? He says, I will not come down from the swing unless you come down too. So 9 won't come down from the swing until and unless 2 also comes down. So 2 has no choice, but he has to come down. And what comes after 2? 3. So after 2, it is the turn of number 3 to sit on the swing. And this time 3 thinks that just like 2, I will also sit on the swing for a long time. So 2 gets down to make way for 3, and 9 gets down to make way for the next number, 0. So here we see that 9 gets down the swing, and along with 9, even 2 has to get down. And 3 and 0 get on the swing to make a new number, 3, 0. So we had 2, 9, 29. Now in place of 2, I have 3, and in place of 9, I have 0 to give a new number, 3, 0. And what is the number name of this number? So if you see, there is no more a 2 on the left side. So I cannot start the number name with 20. I can start the number name with 20 only if I have 2 on the left side. But now I have a 3 on the left side. The number name of this new number is 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. This is the number name of this new number, 3030. It comes after 29. So we have 3030. So now let us see what are the new numbers that we have learned. So we have these numbers. 20 gives us 20. After 20, I have 21, 21. After 21, 1 gives way for 2. So we have 2, 2, 22. Then we have 2, 3, 23. After 23, I have 2, 4, 24. Then after 24, I have 2, 5, 25. After 25, I have 2, 6, 26. After 26, we have 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, and then 2, 9, 29, and 3, 0, 30. So these are some of the new numbers that we have learned from 21 to 30, 2121 to 3030. Now let us see if we can count the number of balls using these numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have 25 balls, 2, 5, 25 balls. And yes, we have been able to count them because we have learned some new numbers after 20. So we see how these numbers help us in counting, and we have learned some new numbers also, numbers from 21 to 30. So do remember all the numbers from 21 to 30 along with their number names. So practice writing these numbers along with their number names. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.